Okay, we already got the fat burger here. So what I have is half of the burger. Kailan may hatiin, lab? Half ng burger and then half of the hot dog. So this is the hot dog and we have the burger here. Half, hinati ba? Hindi naman hinati, lab. Kala ko hatiin. Hindi, kain ka na muna. Kain ka ng hot dog. Kain ako ng burger. Ha? What do you think? A little bit of burger. How about you, Christian? You like burger, San? Huh? Be okay? San?
Yeah.
One.
You put
I get
ketchup.
something?
Put ketchup for it.
Yeah. I'll just eat half. Because I'm not a burger fan. If I eat burger, usually in and out. When we go to the States. Pero ngayon, guys, we got this fat burger. Let's see how it tastes like. We already tried the burger before, but this is a different kind of burger. So natin. Christian, what are you eating? Big milk. Fat burger. I don't know if they have it in the States. The burger. They have it? Ah. But the famous burger is In and Out.
The hot dog is juicy.
The burger is really good. The meat is soft. Of course, we have the cucumber, cheese. I don't eat what do you call that? The yellow stuff.
Mustard.
Yun yung isa.
Mustard.
Mustard. Yeah. But the burger is really good. It has a different kind of taste compared to A&W and McDonald's. All of those burgers are also good, but this one tastes better. Hap lang, lab. They got their fries here. But nothing beats the price of McDonald's. Sometimes pupunta kami sa McDonald's because of the fries. Diba na? Half lang. Ang maubos ko nga, masarap. Usually, if I order burger, usually I get chicken burger instead of beef burger. Pero, since what I told you, masarap ang burger nila compared to McDonald's and A&W, munti ko na maubos. And then now, after the hot dog, I'm good. What's wrong burger nila?
Is it good?
Let's go for the hot dog. Usually yung hot dog, guys, if I like to eat hot dog, doon kami pumunta sa 7-Eleven. Yeah, it's good. 7-Eleven, masarap doon ang hot dog nila, guys. Pero sabi ni Mrs. juicy daw. Let's see. Right. Food review. Your hot dog is good. It's tender. There's a combination of bacon and cheese. Christian, he just nearly ate. That's why he's just drinking his milk right now. So, kinakain ko si Christian ng hotdog. Ito pa burger? Good, no? This is actually not my cheat day. My cheat day is on... This is actually not my cheat day. My cheat day is on the weekend. Kaya lang, what I do, if I eat now, I won't eat my supper later. Because it's already 7:44 in the evening. Mag-grocery lang kami and then we'll go home. What? Hindi na ako kakain sa bahay. What? Try it? Like it? Sarap. Kayo, ano paborito niyo yung hotdog? If you try 7-Eleven hotdog, it's also good, guys. But this one is also good. Actually, the burger is better. Next time if I go there, I'll just order burger instead of hot dog. What's up? Hot dog nila is not bad, guys. Ngayon ko na-discover if I have an option, whether it's a burger or hot dog, I'd rather have this burger than the hot dog.
Is that in and out?
In and out is the best. Next time we'll try the Five Guys. I don't know if they have it on the States. I think they have it in the States, no, Sean? They have it in the States, but we haven't tried the burger of Five Guys. Yung Chick-fil-A or Chick-fil-A lab? Yeah. Their burger is really good. One more bite. I'm already stuck. Hi guys, till next time. Bye. Peace out.